friends, it's Miss Eli. Are you ready for another English lesson? Today we're going to learn how to order food throughout the day. Ready? Let's practice. What do you like to eat? I like to eat lots of things. Let's find out. We have different times a day. We have the morning, the afternoon, the evening. The morning is when the sun comes out and we eat breakfast. In the afternoon, we eat lunch. And in the evening, we eat dinner. Let's grab our pointer. I'm so excited about our lesson today. What do you like to eat? Does it depend on the time of day? Today you're going to learn how to use an expression for the time of day, add a verb, and add the food. Ready? It's my turn. Repeat after me. For breakfast, I like to eat eggs. For breakfast, I would like to order eggs and toast. For breakfast, I like to eat waffles. For breakfast, I would like to order waffles. For breakfast, I like to eat cereal. For breakfast, I like to eat pancakes. What do you like to eat? Do you like to eat eggs? Do you like to eat muffins for breakfast? I like to drink coffee. Do you like to drink? Would you like to drink orange juice? Lunch. For lunch, I like to eat hamburgers. For lunch, I like to eat pizza. For lunch, I like to eat tacos. For lunch, I like to eat peanut butter and jelly sandwich. For lunch, I would like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. For dinner, I like to eat steak and potatoes. For dinner, I prefer having fried chicken. For dinner, I prefer having a salad. For dinner, I would like to order chips and salsa. Let's learn how to ask questions. What do you like to eat for breakfast? What do you like to eat for lunch? What do you like to eat for dinner? Notice the word for before each time to eat. It's your turn. Draw a picture about what you like to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Practice saying, I like to eat for breakfast. If you already ate it, you can say it in the past tense. Yesterday, I had eggs for breakfast. Yesterday, we had pancakes for breakfast. Yesterday, we had pizza for lunch. Notice that we use the word had. You can also use the word ate. Yesterday, we ate pizza for lunch. Thanks for being a scholar today. Have a nice day.